me wanna be with somebody, doing things that I usually don't. Find my way through the hotel lobby.
So this is us running late as usual for our flight to Barcelona. We made it through check-in quite smoothly. This decor was really nice to see, especially since we hadn't been to this airport in a while. Now, this was Zara's first flight, so we were nervous. We didn't know what to expect, but as you can see, she was long gone in slumber, thank God. And that's Laurie with his magazine that he brings everywhere but never reads.
And further evening, thank you and goodbye.
Buenos dias, amigos. Look at Zara in Laurie's matching pajamas, guys, with the bears. There's nothing cuter than this. Oh my goodness, I love these two so much. Anyway, so the program of the day is wedding. So we had the liberty to wake up late because we were here for the second part of the wedding. You know, like the wedding party part. Yes. Guys, this is our view from our room. It is so beautiful, isn't it? Oh my goodness. Now, your girl was feeling herself so much. Oh my goodness, like I was coming from a 5 degrees in Budapest, okay, to this amazing 17 degrees. So this is Mark, our very good buddy. We came with him from Budapest with his girlfriend, and because he's also friends with the groom, so it was really cool. This Mediterranean view is giving, and I'm here for it. Look at this 17 degrees goodness of a weather, guys. This was so refreshing for us, and the plantain leaves, oh my goodness, reminded me so much of Ghana, and the grass and the vintage wrought iron furniture you see there, and of course the pool. Hey Mark, you're on my video. Hi guys. Oh my god, I can't believe we're talking to you guys from Barcelona. Babe, come and check in. We're talking to you from Cantrabal in Catalonia. And guess what, guys? We are here for a wedding. I'm so excited. Like, one of Laurie's best friends is getting married to his long-term girlfriend. And of course, we're invited. So we came from Budapest. Now they're doing like a signing. And so from there, they come back here and we start the party. Now we're trying to just go for a walk here in the neighborhood because as you can see, like, this is a really cool villa. I love you. I love you. Hey, Baba. Aww. Hey. Oh my god, guys, it's really nice here. My hands are so ashy. I should put... Oh my god, babe. There's a dog. Yeah, okay, let's go that way and then descend on the other side and go back and change because the couple, yeah, Zara, the couple will be here soon from the wedding and we're not dressed up. And dressing up is a lot for us. This place is full of dogs. Oh Jesus, babe. Babe. Don't walk, don't run. Are they for real? This area is heavily residential and so yeah, after the dog scare we changed our route and these are short clips from the neighborhood.
When you're on my side, high up in the sky, cruising through the
Guys, we're descending the hill. Yo, I don't think I want to play in this neighborhood again because the dogs here are not playing. I've never had a scare from a dog like this since like, I don't know, teenage years. So I'm traumatized right now. Oh Jesus! What is going on, babe? I only came to make a YouTube video. Yes, so now we're going to go back to the villa and dress up, you know, like get everybody ready. Myself, Zara, and Laurie, because I think the couple will be here soon from the signing. Yes, Baba. So, yeah, see you guys. Can we talk about how cool it is to have a wedding party in a like traditional Catalan country house like this? You know, like away from the noise, you know, you have good air, good vibes, and all the vintage goodness. I like that it's really old and like it had some cute spook to it, you know, like just a little spook. So finally the main event was here, and this time we were like just chilling and chatting with Mark and Esther while waiting for the arrival of the groom and bride. So it started to get like a bit chilly outside and Zara needed some diaper changes, so we just like came in for a bit and like, yeah. That's Laurie and Mark, typical best friends that never run out of topics. Like, I wonder what that little dance they were doing was about though. Zara ready for the ride? Puyo? Ready for your ride? Ready for your ride? It's a video. Hey baby. Hey baby, bring the dog here. Wedding is over. It was a very enjoyable event. Yeah, we really had a good time. We really had a good time. We had to kind of close the party early because of Zara. But we had a really good time. And so shout out to Alba and Hugo. It's like 1:17 and I think we're going to have lunch in like an hour or two. Hugo tells me that Spanish people have a rather late lunch around 2:30. So, oh, this is really nice. While waiting for the lunch, we're taking a walk with Mark and Esther down to a river somewhere here. See you when we get there. But this view is really cool, no? Look at the mountains there.
Oh, but I don't wanna miss you, baby. So I stand up and speak just my mind. Oh.
Now, anyone who does not play with their 10k steps knows that this was very good for me. Like, I think I got like, what, 3,000 steps in? So we got back to the villa. Here we were having lunch for the last time with our friends before continuing to Barcelona for the second half of our trip. By the way, whose baby is this? Is she my Zara? Is she my Zara? Oh my god. And I love seeing gramophones so much. They are so stylish. With palm trees everywhere. Of course, we have arrived in Barcelona. So this was around like 5:30, I believe. We just dropped off our bags at the hotel and just like freshened up a bit and headed back out. This view is right in front of our hotel. We chose to stay in the thick of the center for easy coming in and going, since we had like only 48 hours left and we wanted to milk every second of it. And guys, like, what could actually be better than having an art gallery right at your doorstep? Like, we literally stepped out of the hotel front doors and here was this Galeria Maxo. Like, that's the name of the gallery. This Galeria Maxo is like a multidisciplinary art gallery. I like that it's more authentic and urbanistic, you know, like it had like vinyl record DJs playing, mad graffiti all over, and actually quite affordable art to purchase. It's really eclectic, like effortlessly stylish and just bright. I loved it. We really enjoyed this little stop in view, and now we're off to the next thing to see in Barcelona at night. Guys, pardon me for posting this vlog very late. Anyway, this was November and the Christmas decor was, you know, just coming out. It was really giving Christmas hints like it should.
Honestly, I'm happy that we are not with car.
Laurie is so funny. He said that because of last summer, like when we went to Italy by car and had nothing but pure torture while driving and parking, guys. I just couldn't trace what these alphabets were trying to say, but it looked cool, so I just captured it.
This is a photo frame.
So these are random clips from downtown. The night breeze was breezing. It was so refreshing. And how lovely it was to see the lights from the yacht like reflecting in the sea. This was one of the ports of Barcelona to the Balearic Sea, I believe. So we are in Barcelona and it's really nice so far, but it's dark, so my opinion is quite limited, but I don't think that during the day it's going to be anything different. I'm actually really looking forward to it. At the moment we're just walking to the restaurant to get some dinner, but we're on the Barceloneta, like the promenade. We came from Catalonia from the wedding and we arrived around 5, so what we could see was already limited, and so yeah, we just decided to get on the street and see Barceloneta at night. And we did halfway, but we couldn't see the whole thing because we're quite tired and hungry, and Zara is already long gone and it's like about 9.
Zara, are you happy? Are you happy? Zara, do you want to party?
What is an ice cream shop without Ghana chocolate? Oh dear, it was so lovely to see Ghanaian chocolate just thriving and thriving outside the borders of Ghana. The taste was so well combined with the other flavors we chose, and the portions, guys. This ice cream right here is endless. It just doesn't finish. Like, look at this.
I don't understand. But
Look at Laurie's.
What?
It's so huge. Guys, I never knew that.
What's the agreement for this?
Guys, hey, look, it's dripping. It's dripping. It's dripping. Like, I can't eat enough. Now, we're actually not too far from our hotel, but we can't go in because we have to finish this. My dress is full of ice cream. Like, I'm dripped all over.
Zara's head is not much bigger than...
Look, believe me. Oh my goodness. Guys, we're still on it. We still can't finish. I don't know.
But you are far better than I am.
Not true.
If you want, you can.
Mine is going slower than yours. Look,
Don't you want to take
I got
some?
mine before yours, but it is bigger than yours.
Actually, my tongue is hurting.
I never knew this could ever be a problem. Too much ice cream. Ha! So we managed to finish our ice cream. Now that was what I call a sweet mistake. Like, never ever kill a plate of Brazilian meal and think you can top it up with like a little ice cream in Barcelona. It doesn't work like that. We don't regret the purchase, don't get me wrong. I mean, once the ice cream had Ghana in it, you bet it was fire. So we don't regret it at all. So we've come to the end of the first half of our stay in Spain. In the next vlog, you cannot miss, because we did a lot of fun packed things. We saw all the attractions in Barcelona, guys. How did we do that in less than 48 hours? It's yours to find out.
You give your heart to